Now, let's know about the three components of the map. Now, the three components of map are distance, direction and symbols. Now, distance. First we will discuss about distance. What is distance? You see, now ground distance, you see, now I want to take the area of ground as if of 2000. Now, if ground distance is 2000, then in the map I will have to take a scale. That means in the map I have taken the scale of 2000 kilometer equal to 5 centimeter. That means ground distance is 2000 kilometer and map is, in the map you will find it that 2000 kilometer in 5 centimeter. So now before that we have to measure with the scale. Now first, what is a scale? Let us know. You see, the ratio between the ground distance and the map scale, that is called a scale. The ratio between the ground distance and the map, what we have taken the ratio, that is called a scale. Understood? Clear what is a distance? Saying that ground distance is 2000 kilometer and ratio is how much? Map scale will be how much? Ground distance (2000 kilometer) and on the map you will show how much? Equal to 5 centimeters. That means if on the ground it is 2000 kilometer, on the map you will show is at 5 centimeter. That means in 1 centimeter in the map, that means how much ground distance will be there? 400 kilometer equal to 1 centimeter. Then 800 kilometer it will be 2 centimeter. Then 1200 kilometer it will be 3 centimeter. Then 1600 kilometer will be 4 centimeter and 2000 kilometer will be 5 centimeter. That means in 1 centimeter on the map will show the ground distance of 400 kilometer, and in 2 centimeter on the map scale will show the ground distance of 800 kilometer. Understood? Now, what is large scale and small scale? When the ground distance is more, when the ground area is more, that time we have to take a small scale. Understood? And when the ground distance is not so big, the area is not so big, that time we take large scale. Now when we are measuring about the countries, continents and all, that time we have to take a small scale. And when we are measuring just a local place from my house to your school or to your house or to railway station or to BH college or BN college, these are the small areas. So there you can take the large scale. Clear? Now about the directions. You know there are 4 directions, and in the 4 directions one line is always drawn and one arrow mark is given there, and that is always on the north side. And when you find out the north direction, easily you can find out south, because north opposite will be south and your right will be east and your left will be west. Clear? Now by looking at the north pole also, pole star also, you can find out that direction, because that is always in the north side. And again by looking at the compass, magnetic compass, there is a needle, that needle always points towards the north. From there also you can find out. And again by rising of the sun also you can find out the direction, because the sun rises always in the east, and by the sunset also you can find out the direction, because the sun always sets in the west. Clear? Now these are the 4 directions. They are known as the cardinal points or cardinal directions. Now between these four directions, again four more directions are there. They are the what? They are called the intermediate directions. Now you see, between this north and east there is a direction that is called northeast. East and south, southeast. South and west, southwest, and north and west, northwest. These four directions that are between these other directions, they are called the intermediate directions. Clear? So you should read the map, and also you should know that which direction, in which side which direction is there. Otherwise you will not be able to read the map and all. Then again about the symbols and all. You see, everything is not possible to draw on a piece of paper and all, no? It cannot be represented, no? So here you see some symbols and all are given here, and these symbols are an international agreement is done, so that everywhere, wherever you go all over the earth, the same symbol for the river, what symbol is used in the India, that symbol will be used all over the world. So an international agreement is done, and that international agreement is called the conventional symbols. Clear? Now, for rivers and all, you see, a river will be drawn like this for the symbols. This is the symbol of the river. Then if trees and all are there, like this trees and all will be drawn. Grass is there, then like the grass will be drawn. International boundaries are there, and this dark and one dot will be given, and one dark and one dot. Like this will be given. And again, for the states and all, state, districts, everywhere they have a different one. You see, international boundaries are of dark color, state boundaries are of little light, and again district boundaries are what? They are just put in one dash and gap is there. Okay. Then for metallic and unmetallic road also symbols and all are used. So you go through it, you will be able to know the symbols, which symbols are used for what. And again, if temples and all are there one temple will be drawn, there one Om will be written, or one symbol will be given for the temple. If church is there, then one cross mark will be put up on the building. And if buildings and all are there small box type buildings will be drawn. So these symbols and all are also very useful for the maps. Understood? Now, different colors and all are also used for the maps. You see, if water and all have to show on the map, blue color will more water than dark blue, less water than light blue. Then if mountains and all are there, brown color will be shown. Plateaus, for the plateaus, yellow color is used. And again for the plants and all, for the greenery and all, that means green color is used. Okay? Okay, now this part is over. Now in the next video, we will explain you about the sketch and plan. That is the conclusion part of the chapter.